Mini lesson speaking plan. The title is speaking objective, and the objective is developing the speaking skills. This was considered for college first semesters, but it can also be used for students of middle, even a late level. The material used will be the Stardust app, various film, and a notepad. The length is about 2 hours, consider the length of the movie. The main idea is that the students should watch a series of videos of different movies or watch a movie in general. After they be looking for the visual media, they should take notes. After a while, the student must write a short review that he will later use. And after a while, the student must communicate with his peers about what it's supposed to do. While speaking and also means that students should look at what they have done and make a quick review in Stardust. After a while, they must comment of their peer reviews of their companions.